So, you want to start a YouTube channel? Perfect. I'm here to help you start. In this video, I'm going to go over every single step on how to start a YouTube channel from the moment that you create your channel all the way to the moment that you upload your first video. I'll also be touching on one of the most overlooked and honestly, in my opinion, the most important aspect to starting a YouTube channel, which is your mindset. This will be the only video you will need on how to successfully start a YouTube channel. As always, timestamps will be available below. Let's get into it. Step 1. Define your why. This is very important because your reasons for starting your YouTube channel are directly tied to the success that you will see on the platform or lack thereof. So ask yourself, why do you want to start a YouTube channel? And be very honest with yourself here. Is it because you want to be YouTube famous and make money? Is it because you love YouTube and you want an outlet for your creativity? Is it because you want to start YouTube for your business? No matter the reason, be true to yourself and start your YouTube channel with the right intentions. Step 2. Once you've determined your why, it's time to create a channel. You'd be surprised on how many people watch YouTube but don't have a channel created. So let's create a channel. Here's how. Head over to Google. In the top right corner, click sign in, create an account, choose whether it's for personal use, for a child, or for work and business. Fill out your first and last name and then click next. Fill out your birthday and gender information and then click next. Out of these options, choose create your own Gmail address. Put what you want your Gmail address to be, then click next. Here you will choose your password and click next. Go through any verification processes, which will most likely be a phone number verification. Once you're set up and signed in, head over to Google. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon and click on YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, in the top right corner, click on your profile icon, click create a channel. Create a channel with a unique name, either your own or something relative to what your channel will be about. Note, this can always be changed later. Step 3. Set up your channel details. To do that, go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, click on YouTube Studio. On the left side panel, scroll down and click on customization. There are several steps here, and the first thing you should do is upload a profile picture. Upload a picture of yourself if you're going to be the face of your channel. If not, upload a logo or relevant image that caters to who you are or what your channel is about. Here you can change your name, handle, and pronouns if you'd like. Next, fill out your description. This is where you tell your viewers who you are and what your channel is about, and it will appear on your channel page. Don't overthink this, just provide a small blurb as to who you are and what viewers can expect from you. You can also add a language to translate your description. After that, add any links. This is where you insert any relevant links that cater to you and your business if you have one. For example, any social media links, link to a website, products, etc. Once you do that, you will add an email here so that people can contact you. Do not put the email you use to create your YouTube channel, because if years down the line you get hacked and you have 100+ videos, all of your hard work was for nothing. Last here you have video watermark, where you can add a graphic to your video in the bottom right corner. You can choose whether that's displayed at the end of the video, at a custom start time, or for the entire video. People generally use this feature for a logo or a subscribe graphic. After this, you want to head back to your YouTube studio, go down to where it says settings, and you have some settings to change here. This step is long, but it's an important step, but feel free to skip to step 4 if you want. In the general tab, choose your applicable currency. In the channel tab, under basic info, choose your country of residence and add any relevant keywords to what your channel is going to be about. Only put relevant keywords either to what your channel is about or what you're going to talk about in your videos. Under advanced settings, set your audience. Choose whether or not your videos will be made for kids. Whichever option you choose, every time you upload a video to YouTube, that option will be chosen automatically. Everything else in this tab can remain the same. Under feature eligibility, go through these steps and ensure you complete them. This is important for verification and unlocking additional features for your channel. In the Upload Defaults tab, you can ignore this section when you first start off, but over time you may want to add titles, descriptions, tags, and settings that you find yourself using often to save you some time. In the Permissions tab, you are set as the owner of the YouTube channel that you created by default, but you can change this if you want or allow someone else to have access to your channel. This is generally good for social media managers. In the community mod tab, this is where you set up moderators and personally moderate your channel by blocking terms, links, etc. This is good for when you're bigger or for when you want to avoid trolls. Then you have the agreements tab and you can now close the window. Finally, you're going to set up a banner. I chose this last because it's probably the most time consuming in the customization section of your YouTube Studio dashboard. Don't overcomplicate it. Put a banner that expresses who you are and what your channel is about. Step 4. Research and ideation. Here you want to start brainstorming ideas. The best way to do this is to research videos that resonate with you and align with the content that you want to make. Don't overthink this and don't spend too much time on this. I would highly recommend that once you have an idea, just do it. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do and how you want to do it. Trust me, you'll be so much more happy going this route. Now, if you need help generating video ideas, we live in an AI era and you can use ChatGPT to help you out with this if you want. To do this, head over to chatgpt.com. In the prompt box, type out what you want ChatGPT to generate for you. For example, give me 5 educational YouTube video ideas about content creation, or give me 3 video ideas to make for my YouTube channel that focuses on starting an online business. The more information you give in your prompt, the better the outcome from ChatGPT. Now, even if you use ChatGPT to help you out, at the end of the day, make videos on what you want to do and what feels right to you. Next up, we have scripting. Arguably the most important step, because this is where you will outline your entire video, the hook, the intro, the talking points, the CTA, the outro. There's 3 ways to do this. You can script it out word for word, you can script it out in bullet point form, or you can simply freestyle it. I personally either do this word for word or in bullet point form. I do this because this allows me to generate my script in a more organized and cohesive way and allows me to flow better when recording my videos. If you need help scripting your videos, you can ask ChatGPT to help you out with this as well, but I'd highly recommend creating a script that's directly from your own words. It will feel more authentic not only to you but to your audience as well. Completely up to you. Step 5. Recording. This is where the fun starts. I won't lie, recording is fun, but it can feel extremely awkward at first, especially when you're the face of the content. Sure was awkward for me and it still is till this day, but I promise you the more that you do it, the more comfortable you will feel and the better you will become. Now, I want to rid this idea that you need a professional camera. Contrary to what you're seeing here, I am using a professional camera due to my background in photography and videography, but you don't need to be using a professional camera. You just need a camera. And to prove this, I purposely shot my very first YouTube video on my YouTube channel with my iPhone in my car because I wanted to practice what I preach. You don't need special equipment or anything like that. You just need your phone camera to start recording videos. So set up your camera, whether that's on a tripod or on a stack of books, and hit record. Tip: if you're recording on a mobile device like an iPhone or Samsung, use the back camera as it produces way better quality. But if you're recording a voiceover for your video, maybe because you just want to talk over some photos or B-roll, or maybe you're a faceless YouTube channel, your phone works just fine for that too. Use any app that allows you to record audio and you are good to go. Now, once you're done recording, it's time for step 6, the creative part, which is editing. Now, there are several different software applications you can use for this, both on a computer and mobile device. My personal favorites are DaVinci Resolve and CapCut, both completely free. As someone who came from Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a paid video editing software, DaVinci Resolve takes the cake. It literally has everything that you need to edit and more, and it's free. However, if you're a complete beginner with absolutely zero editing experience, DaVinci Resolve can be intimidating to use, but 100% worth learning if you're willing to. If not, CapCut is a great alternative. It's very simplistic and very user-friendly. And as a bonus, CapCut can also be used on a computer and mobile device. It is great for long-form and short-form workflows. Now, once you decide the software application you want to use, it's time to edit. The editing process can be a lot of fun, and this is where you want to unleash your creativity. Don't rush this part. Take your time to create a video that you'll be proud of and that your audience will love. And after you finalize and export your video, the best part is here. The final step is uploading your video to YouTube. There are 2 ways to do this. The first way, head over to youtube.com, and on the front page, on the top right corner, it will say create. Click on create and then click on upload video, or in the top right corner, click on your profile icon, click on YouTube Studio, and on the top right corner, click Create, and then click on Upload Videos. A window will then pop up and you can either drag your video file into the window, or you can click on Select Files to open a video where you can navigate to your video and upload the video. Once you've selected your video to upload, while it's uploading, there are some details you need to cater to before you officially publish your video to YouTube. First thing, add a title. Make it catchy, curiosity driven, relevant, and to the point. Next, fill out your description. This is where you type out and describe what your video is about. You can also insert timestamps here to help your viewer navigate your video. You can also add any relevant links for your viewer, like your social media handles, a website, etc. You can do a lot in the description of your video, so take advantage of it. For thumbnails, this is where you upload an image for potential viewers to see and click on to watch your video. For playlists, don't worry too much about this part at the start. If you're uploading videos that are similar or binge-worthy, you can add those videos to a playlist for viewers to binge watch. For audience, if you remember during step 3 under audience, if you select whether your channel is made for kids or not, that option will be chosen for you automatically here, so keep this the same. For paid promotion, leave this for now. This is generally used for when you get brand deals or sponsorships. For altered content, this is for when you have content that's been altered in any shape or form and may be deceiving to a viewer. Check based on your personal preference. For automatic chapters, this will automatically put chapters in your video, helping the viewer navigate your video and what they want to watch the most. Check based on your personal preference. For featured places, this allows users to identify key places in your video like restaurants or shops, but this doesn't show your location. Check based on your personal preference. For automatic concepts, this allows YouTube to provide viewers with information in the description that may not be so familiar, such as terms. Check based on your personal preference. Under tags, this is where you put relevant and searchable hashtags on what your video is about. Trust me when I say this plays a very minimal role in the discoverability of your video, so don't spend too much time here or overthink this part. Under language, choose the language used in your video. Under recording date and location, this is good for targeting a specific time or specific location, maybe the country or city that you live in. Under licenses, this is for when you embed your video onto a website and may require licensed distributions. Don't worry too much about this. Under shorts remixing, at some point you may want to make YouTube shorts, which are short form videos on YouTube. This is where you can control whether or not people can take your short form video and remix it to be their own. Check based on your personal preference. Under category, select the category that best describes your video. Under comments and ratings, adjust based on your personal preference. For show how many viewers like this video, check based on your personal preference. Next tab, you have video elements. Under add subtitles, you can add subtitles if needed. This is good for when people are watching your video without audio. Under add an end screen, you can add an end screen at the end of your video to promote other videos for viewers to watch if they're interested. This is good for retaining your viewers on your channel. Under add cards, you can add cards to your video which will pop up in the top right corner of your video. These cards allow you to promote a related video to the current video a viewer is watching. This is also good for retaining viewers on your channel. In the next tab, you will have checks. This is where copyrighted content will be detected when you're uploading a video. It's best to avoid any copyrighted content, but if YouTube detects a copyright in your video, you can either dispute it or YouTube allows you to cut out the part of the video that contains the copyrighted content. Ideally, you just want to make sure that you are clear from any copyright before you officially hit publish. In the final tab, you have visibility. This is where it begins. This is where you either make your video private, unlisted, or public, or set it as premiere or schedule for later. Private means you can make the video only visible to you. Unlisted means people with the video link are the only ones who can see and watch the video. Public means anyone and everyone can see and watch the video. Premiere pretty much sets it up to be like a countdown to an event, which is cool when you have a big audience who's looking forward to an announcement or a video. Schedule allows you to schedule your video for a later date. This is good for when you just want to upload, set everything up, and have it published ahead of time. Always let the video process fully until it says complete, then finally you can publish the video. Now once you upload your video, you will feel tempted to see if it's doing well. and doing well is very subjective. But if it's not doing well to you, especially once you upload it, do not get discouraged, which is the perfect pivot to my bonus step. And that is mindset. Mindset is everything on YouTube. There will be times where you don't feel like researching, coming up with ideas, recording videos, editing videos, and uploading to YouTube. YouTube is not all sunshine and rainbows. It takes hard work and dedication with some delayed gratification. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You have to go into this with the mindset that all of the hard work will pay off eventually. If you upload a video and it doesn't take off right away, that's fine. Focus on the next video. If you upload a video and it doesn't do well to you, it's a learning experience, not a failure. If you get a hate comment on a video that you yourself and your audience loved, that hate comment means nothing. If you feel burnt out, it's okay to take a break, but it's not okay to walk away. If you feel like giving up, remember why you started. And that's the moment you go even harder. With that being said, I hope this video was helpful. There is no better time to start than now. Start your YouTube channel now, and once you start, don't ever give up. You got this.